everybody, my name is Kate Berry from the University of Texas at Austin, and welcome to this Math Spiral video where we demonstrate one of our favorite fluency activities, taped problems. When we think about fluency, we're thinking about doing math in a way that's accurate and efficient. It takes stress off of students' working memory, builds their confidence, and makes every other part of math easier. And when we're thinking about fluency, we're thinking about something that's occurring daily and something that's brief, so 1 to 2 minutes. And taped problems are a great activity for you to implement in your classroom. Let's take a look. So here what we're going to want to do is create a worksheet with our taped problems. You can see here you can choose 15 to 25 problems. We can see here that this problem has 6s, 7s, 8s, and 9s, so you really want to make sure that you're being thoughtful about which problems you're selecting. Again, we can choose addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division cards. What you can do is you can tape yourself talking and reading the problem, pausing and answering. Another easier way to do this might just be that you read the problem or read the fact, pause for 5 seconds, and then say the answer. And the idea here is that students are writing the answer, in this case the product, before you say it aloud. So I see my first problem is 6 times 5. So if I were to do this problem in my classroom, I would say 6 times 5. Then I would pause 5 seconds. 30. And the idea is that students are supposed to be writing 30 on their worksheet before you say 30 aloud. If students do not write 30 on their worksheet, they leave it blank. And what's great about this activity is you can collect it after you do your 15 to 20 problems or 15 to 25 problems, and you can see the problems that were left blank. And that would be an indication to you of the facts that your students need to practice. Maybe we really need to focus more on our 7s and our 8s because those were the facts that were left blank. So let's try another example. If we were to work on 8 times 4, it would look like this. 8 times 4. 32. And the idea is that students would try to write 32 before you said it aloud. Now, if you want to, you can tape the problems, wait 5 seconds, and say the product or the difference or the sum, but an easier way to do this probably is to say it out loud in your classroom. But taped problems are one of our favorites. One reminder, just make sure that you are thoughtful about what problems you're using. So here you can see I don't have 0s or 1s or 10s or 11s. We really have 5 through 8 facts here, and that's because those are the skills that our students are working on specifically. Thanks so much for taking the opportunity to view this Math Spiral video where we talked about taped problems, one of our favorite fluency activities. We hope to see you in future Math Spiral videos.